A friend of mine just shared something with me. It's actually a new app, a new investing app. So I'm going to talk about it on the other side. Stay with me. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. We talk about all things money, taxes, small business, investments, stocks. Those are some of my favorite things. So that's what we talk about. All right, so today, a buddy of mine, Jessica Walker, aka known as Jaw Speaks Digital, reached out to me and asked me, did I know about this investment platform, this new investment platform? And so after I looked at the DM she sent me on Instagram, I said, I didn't know that they had this new feature. By the way, go follow Jessica Jaw Speaks on Instagram. Jaw Speaks Digital on Instagram. But anyway, I looked at it and I said, I didn't know that they were doing this. And who is they? They is, I know that's improper English, by the way. But the they we're talking about is Cashapp. So Cashapp, which I've used a million times. I take transactions through my business and personal through Cashapp. I use it a lot, but I didn't know you could now invest in the stock market on Cashapp. I mean, I bought Bitcoin on there as kind of a joke slash test. Try to spend like $20 on Bitcoin on there. I think it's worth like $12 now, but that's a whole other story. We'll talk about that another time. So anyway, I go look at it. You can invest on there. You can buy all kinds of stocks, mostly popular stocks, but all kinds of stocks on Cash App. And like I said, I have so much money flow coming through there, both business and personal. It's easy for me to say, take out $25. But let's look at some of the stuff I was looking at on Cash App. All right, so let's check out Cash App. Let's kick the tires. So I'm just searching here. I want to test drive the platform, looking up GE, General Electric. And so I'm looking at the price of it. Got about $125 in this Cash App account. So I want to buy like 2 shares of GE. And so GE was about 10 plus bucks. So, oops, not 222, but $22. I'm just going to buy 2 shares just to check it out. And it goes through. And Cash App needs a little bit more information because this is my first trade. So I got to put in my email address and we will fast forward through this boring part so I don't put you all to sleep. Okay, so I answered all their questions and now I'm putting in the code to process my order. And you will see it here. I bought $22 of General Electric. Share price is about $11.52. So it's a little short of 2 shares. And right, remember I was saying the beauty of Cash App is you can buy fractional shares. So now I'm going to hit schedule. And this trade will kick off on the next open day. So yeah, then I had to go in because I wanted to buy 2 shares. So now it's 2.083. No fees. Remember I said no fees. Trade's going off. Okay, right. So I did this over the weekend. And now it's going to hit on Monday at 9:30 because that's when the market opens. So now I only have $101 left in my account. I am going to look to buy something else. Okay, now I'm looking for my next stock to invest in. Starbucks. Spend a lot of money at Starbucks. So I said, hey, I should take part of some of the profits since I helped generate the profits. So buying Starbucks is about $84, somewhere around there. I'm just testing this out. So $10. Let's invest $10 in Starbucks. Put in my PIN on the Cash App. Order goes through. So I'm buying like 0.119% of one share. So again, you don't necessarily have to have, the whole share price to buy one share. You can start with whatever you have, whether it's $1, $10, $25, $100. So just finished processing Starbucks. Now looking for the next investment. Again, this is all trial and error. Going to Amazon. I only have $91 in my account, but guess what? Amazon is over $1,700. So, like I said, I don't have $1,700 in the account to buy this, but I just want to be the everyday guy who's looking to increase his wealth. So I'm going to buy a small portion of a share, but that way I can participate in any growth that's taking place at Amazon. So I don't have to wait till I have almost $1,800. So I'm going to buy $10. $10 worth of Amazon. Put in my code, $10. Process is going in. Again, this is a weekend. Orders will go in first thing Monday morning. So you saw me buy GE, you saw me buy Starbucks, and now you are seeing me buy Amazon. I have $81 in my account. So, this is just a good way to get your feet wet, start accumulating shares or parts of a share in various companies that you invest in, or you patronize and spend your money with. So since you spend your money with them, why not participate in the profits as well? So like I said, everything is on Cash App. I was looking for a dividend stock earlier today. I've been looking for more dividend stocks today to add to my watch list. And I found one really sexy. It pays like a 12% dividend. But I tried to find it on Cash App, couldn't find it. But again, you can find everything that's listed on the Dow Jones 30 or the Dow Jones Industrial. You can find all those, a lot of the Nikes, Starbucks, GE, the 3M, Amazon, which you saw. I brought some, and you could buy all those. But again, you can't find, the less or the more obscure names that float around out there. So really love the app. Plan on using it. I would suggest you use it too, especially if you use Cash App. No fees. So I think they are going to really change the game. By the way, Cash App is owned by Square. So when you get a chance, look at Square's stock price as well. Because you can do transactions on there, you can buy Bitcoin on there, and now you can buy stock. Square is here for serious business. They're here. But anyway, back to Cash App. So I like it. I think it's convenient. It's a great way to start. I would encourage everybody to get it. And listen, if you want to get it, you don't use Cash App, which I can't really imagine that no one does it. But I dropped the link in my description down there. So full disclosure, I do get like a small penny if you sign up with Cash App with my link. But again, I think it's a great value for everybody, not only just to send money, transaction free, but also to buy stock or buy Bitcoin if you want. I wouldn't recommend the Bitcoin now, but I would definitely recommend buying stock. So again, yeah. But if you bought stock on Cash App, tell me what you bought below and tell me about your experience. Kamari Ellis out. I'll see you next time.